or exploratory data analysis on the provided SampleSuperstore dataset. Here we import all the required libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. Here we load the data, some basic information. Uh, we check for null values, uh, and there aren't any null values. We check the shape of the data set. We clean the data. We drop any null values. We drop the duplicates. We see that there are 17 duplicate values. Here, using pair plot, we perform basic data visualization: sales, quantity, discount, profit. Uh, Here, using count plot, we count the number of sales according to the ship mode, segment, region, and category. Here are the conclusions. The standard shipping mode is the most preferred shipping mode, and same day mode is the least preferred. Consumers use highest number of shipping while the home offices use the least. Highest sales are recorded in the west region while lowest are recorded in the southern region. Office supplies are the most preferred products while technological products are least preferred. Uh, Count plot, uh, number of sales with respect to states, where California, Texas, and New York contributed to the greatest number of sales, while Maine, North Dakota, Wyoming, and West Virginia recorded the least. Here's an analysis based on shipping mode versus sales and profits. The greatest sales were recorded by the standard class, while the least were recorded by the same day shipping mode. Uh, California recorded the highest number of sales, while Texas and Colorado, as well as Illinois, uh, suffered losses. Here's the region-wise sales and profits. The central region and the southern region incurred the least profits, while western and eastern did really great. Here's the segment-wise sales and profits. The home offices contributed to the sales and profits the least, and category wise sales and profits. So furnitures contributed to the least profits. Here subcategory wise sales and profits. So bookcases, supplies, and tables led to losses. So that should be reconsidered for the profits of the company. Here's the category-wise discount. Office supplies were given the greatest hefty discounts. Here's the subcategory-wise discount. Binders were given the highest discount while copiers were given the least. Here's some complex analysis. That is uh, region and category-wise analysis. So central region incurred loss while sale of furniture. Here's region-wise analysis based on the segment, that is consumer, corporate, home office, and we can see that southern region home office supply sales in the southern region led to the least profit. Here's the region-wise and ship mode-wise sales and profits. We can see that uh, same-day shipping mode in southern region led to loss, as well as same-day shipping mode in the central region didn't contribute to the profit as well. Here's the pie chart. Quantities ordered by each region. We can see that Western region ordered the greatest quantity of supplies. Here's quantities ordered for each category. Office supplies were the products that contributed to the sales the greatest. In office supplies, particularly binders and papers, contributed the most. So here's the conclusion. The same day shipping mode needs to be modified. It accounted for the least number of sales. The product supply in California, New York, and Texas should be increased as they accounted to the maximum sales. At the same time, different business strategies should be developed for Wyoming, North Dakota, West Virginia, and Maine as they contributed the least sales. And altogether, different strategies should be applied for Texas especially because the company incurred the greatest loss in Texas. Profits in central and southern region were less. The company should implement strategies to improve the profits there. Home office supplies contributed to the least profits. The MRP should be increased or the cost for the same should be cut off. The cost for furniture should be reduced. They led to the least profit category wise. Subcategory wise, bookcases, tables, and other supplies suffered loss. The company should implement some strategy to avoid the loss. A really hefty amount was provided on binders, which can be reduced to increase the profits. But at the same time, binders contributed to the greatest number of sales. So, doesn't matter really. The production of office supplies, specifically binders, should be increased. So